Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Rhino tutorials how to convert to PDF. For example, here I will insert for solid object, click a solid menu, and then I will insert for box in here, like this. And if you want to convert or save as these objects into PDF, you can go to file menu, click on print, and in here I will be automatically saved in Rhino PDF, or you can use another extensions like Microsoft Print to PDF. For example, I will use this Rhino PDF. You also can set for size in landscape or portrait, and then for output, this is for vector in 2D, or you can use raster output. In option, you also can see settings like view, output, scale, and margin. After it, you can click print these objects and then save your PDF into your location folder and click save. Okay, that's it for basic Rhino tutorials how to PDF. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.